Fujifilm has recently unveiled the Instax Pal, a groundbreaking addition to their iconic Instax line of instant cameras. Unlike its predecessors, the Instax Pal is a palm-sized digital camera developed with a younger audience in mind, catering to the tech-savvy generation that craves both the nostalgia of instant photography and the convenience of digital technology. This innovative camera marks a significant departure from traditional Instax cameras, as it is the first in the Instax series to go fully digital. One notable feature of the Instax Pal is its deliberate omission of a screen or viewfinder. Instead, users are encouraged to embrace the unique experience of capturing memories without the immediate gratification of seeing the results on a digital display. Instead, the Instax Pal must be paired with a compatible Instax printer, such as the Mini Link 2 printer, to bring the captured moments to life in the form of physical prints. This creative approach encourages users to savor the anticipation and surprise that accompanies instant photography, reminiscent of the original Polaroid era. The Instax Pal's minimalist appearance is both compact and charming. Its tiny, rounded frame could easily be mistaken for a toy, making it an appealing choice for kids and teenagers alike. Fujifilm offers the camera in 5 vibrant color variants, allowing users to express their personal style. Despite its small dimension, the camera packs a punch with a 16.25mm equivalent lens and a 5MP 1/5-inch sensor behind the lens, ensuring that every shot captures the essence of the moment. An LED flash and a petit speaker are integrated into the camera, providing users with creative options for enhancing their photographs. The camera's controls are simple and intuitive, with the shutter button conveniently placed on the rear, alongside a USB-C charging port and a mode switch. At the bottom of the Instax Pal, a tripod mount is provided for stability during shooting, and a silicone ring can serve as both an angled stand and an improvised viewfinder. For added protection, an optional silicone case is available for purchase, ensuring the camera remains in pristine condition during your adventures. Despite its compact dimension, the Instax Pal offers ample storage capacity, with the ability to store up to 50 photos in its internal memory. If that's not enough, a microSD slot allows users to expand the storage, ensuring that no precious memory is left uncaptured. Additionally, the camera features a link mode, enabling seamless connectivity with Instax link printers or hybrid cameras, for instant printing in various formats, including mini, square, or wide dimensions. For the attractive price of $199, photography enthusiasts can get their hands on the Instax Pal, along with the Mini Link 2 printer. This package deal is an incredible value proposition, as it not only introduces users to the cutting-edge Instax Pal camera, but also includes the essential accessory needed to bring their captured moments to life in physical form. The availability of this exciting package is just around the corner, with a release date set for late October. This timing couldn't be better, as it aligns perfectly with the holiday season, making it an ideal gift for photography enthusiasts, tech-savvy teens, and anyone who cherishes the art of capturing memories. The Instax Pal experience is further enhanced through the use of the dedicated Instax Pal mobile app. This app opens up a world of possibilities, allowing for remote shooting with live views, as well as creative enhancements like filters and frames. Users can edit their photos before printing, giving them complete control over the final product. With this fusion of digital convenience and the joy of instant prints, Fujifilm's Instax Pal camera is poised to capture the hearts of a new generation of photography enthusiasts, ushering in a new era of instant photography innovation. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck on your side.